Yo guys, what is going on? Today we're doing a move called the Chaplin transfer. Here is what it looks like. That's the move. And here is a slow-mo. To begin this move, you're going to start off by learning the Chaplin and maybe getting familiar with your offhand. So I'm going to put some transfer tutorials in the description. But if you know the Chaplin, this is very easy. So, and you know how to use your left hand, of course. Now, to begin, all you're going to do is you're going to start off with the knife in your dominant hand with the safe handle. Thumb's about 3/4 of the way up, 4 fingers on the back, very standard. What you're going to do is you're going to begin by flinging the bite handle over the back of your hand. You're going to take your dominant hand, you're going to put it right about in the center of your body with your index finger pointing upwards. What you're going to do is you're going to take the knife and you're going to move it towards your index finger in such a way that they connect where my index finger, my first knuckle, and about an inch, half an inch down from the pivots. What will happen is, if you do this right, safe handle, fling it out, index up, connect, you'll get this pinch effect, right, where the bite handle and blade swing around and connect. And of course, this is where you go into a Chaplin. Now, to learn this move, an easy thing you can do is just, all you got to do is instead of going right into a Chaplin right away, you can just go into a half rotation and catch the safe handle. So it's not even really a rotation at all, it's just a catch, like that. And from here, of course, you can just flip up the bite handle and wind up here. Of course, you can do thumb rolls, you can do other stuff, but I'll let you figure that out. But for right now, right, all you got to do, index up, you fling it out, you go around, you catch, and up. That should be pretty straightforward, even if you're not very familiar with your left hand. And what you can do is, if you know the Chaplin, instead of just doing that one little dinky rotation, you can do a full rotation and a catch on the safe handle with your thumb, and from here, you can just flip it up just like so. Of course, this is also a good spot to do a Zen rollover if you are comfortable doing that with your left hand, but I'll let you guys figure that out. So that's it. Very straightforward, but a really cool, flashy transfer to throw into your combos, right? It's a very cool looking move. So hope you guys like this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.